There is a secret in the tech world that Apple doesn't want you to fully realize yet. For years, the iPad mini has been the neglected child of the tablet family. It would get an update, then go silent for 3 years. It would get a new chip, but keep an old screen. But right now, as we sit in 2026, the game has fundamentally changed. If you've been holding off on buying a small tablet, or if you're currently clutching an older iPad mini 6 or 7, you need to stop everything. Because the iPad mini 8 is no longer a rumor. It is a targeted strike on the premium compact market. We are entering a new era where small no longer means compromised. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For the first time in history, Apple is preparing to bridge the gap between the portability of a phone and the raw, unbridled power of an iPad Pro. We're talking about the long-awaited death of LCD, the birth of the A20 Pro silicon in a handheld chassis, and a display technology that was, until recently, reserved only for the most expensive devices on the planet. This is the iPad mini 8, and by the time this video ends, you will understand why this is the only device you'll want in your bag for the next 5 years. Let's start with the absolute bombshell that is the display. Since 2021, the iPad mini has been haunted by one specific issue: jelly scrolling. That slight lag on one side of the screen that drove enthusiasts crazy. Apple tried to mask it, they tried to tune it, but the hardware limitations of LCD were always there. Well, the iPad mini 8 is the exorcism of that ghost. Leaks from the Korean supply chain, specifically from Samsung and LG Display, have confirmed that mass production has begun for a new 8.7-inch OLED panel specifically for the Mini. This isn't just a better screen, it is a fundamental shift. We are moving from a single backlight system to self-emissive pixels. This means true blacks. This means a contrast ratio that makes movies look like they are floating in mid-air. But it gets better. For years, Applegate kept the promotion 120 Hz refresh rate. They told us it was a pro feature. But in 2026, with the competition from high-end Android foldables and small gaming tablets heating up, Apple has been backed into a corner. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to finally adopt a 120 Hz LTPO display. Imagine the fluid motion, the instant response of the Apple Pencil Pro, and the sheer speed of iPadOS scrolling at double the frame rate. This single upgrade turns the Mini from a reader into a beast. Now, let's talk about the muscle. What is the point of a beautiful 120 Hz OLED screen if you don't have the engine to drive it? This is where the iPad mini 8 gets scary. Apple is expected to bypass the standard chips and go straight for the A20 Pro. This is the same 2-nanometer architecture we are seeing in the flagship iPhones. We are talking about a neural engine that can handle trillions of operations per second. Why does a small tablet need that much power? One word: Apple Intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't just a Siri upgrade. It's the way we edit photos, the way we summarize documents, and the way we generate content. With 8 GB, or potentially 12 GB, of RAM, the iPad mini 8 is being built as a dedicated AI workstation that fits in a jacket pocket. It will handle on-device LLMs and generative video tasks that would make a MacBook Air from 2 years ago blush. But there is a secondary reason for this power: gaming. The iPad mini has always been the secret favorite device for mobile